Hello everybody, welcome. This is our Shumatt live channel. I'm Caitlin. Today we will introduce you the product is our hot sealing valve assembly. And now let's take a look. And firstly, I will show you the outside package, the blue VCI anti-rust back here. This is the label. And the first line is our Shumatt brand, and the second line is the product code F00RJ01451. Actually, local label packages all the details we support customized service, and inside is the transparent bottles can be better avoid damages during the transportation. And now let's see it together. Inside one layer is oil paper to wrap it up, and each valve assembly 6 months warranty time. You got the quality guaranteed. And for this one, the pluggable inject number is 04451200074, and the pluggable for vehicle car is VOLVO, etc. And let's take a look. This is the valve cap there with the coating figures on the groove. And this is the valve rod. Actually, if you want to clean this kind of valve assembly, it's better to clean it with the oil. You don't clean it with the water. That's the tips I shared for you. Okay, that's a product information. Okay, so much for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Have a good day. See you.